Hi guys. Today we'll explain how to fix vanilla gift card declined. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser and in the search bar. You have to search for vanilla gift card. After searching for it, you can see on the main website vanilla. Just click on it to get access to. First thing is sign in your account in which you have this problem. The next thing is you have to tap on the option activate your card, because this problem occurs when your card will not be activated. So that's why activate your card and enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV number. And then click on the option Continue. You can see, first you have to turn off the ad blocker of this site, and once you turn it off, then click on the option Continue. Then your problem will be solved. But if you are facing this problem again and again, then make sure you have enough balance in your card. And also, maybe they want some kind of verification. Maybe they want to know your birthday date or some kind of other verification. But still, if you have this problem, contact with their customer support and you can get help from their customer support.